For a moment, just sit where you are, put your both feet on the ground and just look around. And for a moment, just look around and notice the objects, notice the lights or things or furniture or phone, computer. Just notice all these things and say to yourself, I'm here. Nothing is chasing me. And just observe. This is just a simple awareness. You don't need to analyze, just sit. Maybe you will see details you've never seen before because you're practicing awareness now. And now the next step is, you can close your eyes if you want, or you can keep them open. And let's start with deep breathing. Now breathe in through your nose. 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And breathe in. 2, 3, 4. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And breathe in. And say to yourself, I am here. Nothing is chasing me. And breathe out and say, I am safe. And breathe in. You're safe. And breathe out. And just remind yourself that you're safe. Nothing is chasing you. And breathe in. And breathe out. Feeling safe. Feeling at home. And now we'll move to body check. So check your body now. Where am I tense? Maybe in your jaw, maybe around your shoulders, maybe in your stomach, maybe in your chest. Just notice it. And keep breathing in and breathing out. And imagine how these muscles are now melting down like ice into water. And feel the relaxation. Keep breathing in and breathing out. And just feel your body relaxing. You are safe. And now we'll move to grounding. So press your feet into the floor and feel gravity holding you. Feel the weight of your body and feel the ground beneath you. You can even visualize the green field of grace beneath your feet and feel connected. And you can say to yourself, the ground is holding me. I don't need to hold everything. The ground is holding me. I don't need to hold everything. And let go of weight. If you've been carrying any extra weight, let it go. Let go of any burden. Let go of any attachment. And just feel connected with Mother Earth. While breathing in and breathing out. And now we'll move to choosing. So ask one simple question. What is the next step? Not the perfect step, not the big step, just the calm one. And see what comes up. What will be the next thing you will do? And let's take another deep breath. Breathe in. With gratitude, you can place your hands on your heart and breathe out. And let's make another one. Breathe in. Feel gratitude for your body. Feel your body and breathe out. And slowly open your eyes, and I'm welcoming you back.